Hello everyone, myself Yogita R. Today I am going to discuss about waterfall model which comes under the subject software engineering and project management. Now let us see what is a waterfall model. The waterfall model is a traditional software development methodology that follows a linear and sequential approach. This model divides the development process into distinct phases, where each phase must be completed before the next one can begin. The waterfall model is a well-established and widely used approach in software engineering, providing a structured and organized framework for managing the various stages of the development life cycle. Defining the waterfall model. Linear approach. The waterfall model follows a linear progression where the development process flows sequentially from one phase to the next, without any overlap or iteration. Distinct phases. The waterfall model is divided into distinct phases including requirements gathering, system design, implementation, testing and deployment. Documentation driven. The waterfall model emphasizes thorough documentation. Phases of the waterfall model. Requirements gathering. This phase involves understanding the problem, identifying the needs of the customer, and documenting the functional and non-functional requirements for the system. The second one is system design. The system design phase focuses on translating the requirements into a detailed architectural plan, defining the overall structure, components, and interfaces of the system. The third phase is implementation and coding. During the implementation phase, the system design is translated into executable code, with each component being developed and integrated into the overall system. Requirements gathering and analysis. Comprehensive approach. The requirements gathering phase is crucial in the waterfall model as it lays the foundation for the entire development process. This phase involves a thorough understanding of the problem, the needs of the customers, and the desired functionality of the system. Stakeholder collaboration. During this phase, the development team works closely with the stakeholders, including customers, end users, and subject matter experts, to gather and document the requirements. This collaboration ensures that the final solution meets the stakeholder needs and expectations. Documentation and verification. The requirements gathered during this phase are carefully documented and the team ensures that the requirements are clear, measurable and achievable. This documentation serves as a reference point throughout the development process and helps to prevent misunderstandings. System design. Architectural design. The system design phase focuses on defining the overall architecture of the system, including the high-level components, their interactions, and the data flows between them. This phase is crucial in ensuring the system's scalability, maintainability, and overall quality. Interface design. During this phase, the team also designs the user interfaces, considering aspects such as usability, accessibility, and user experience. The interface design ensures that the system is intuitive and easy to use for the end users. Technical specifications. The system design phase also involves the creation of details. Implementation and coding. Modular approach. The implementation phase involves the actual coding and development of the system, following the design specifications. The waterfall model encourages a modular approach where the system is divided into smaller, manageable components that can be developed and tested independently. Code quality. During this phase, the development team focuses on writing clean, maintainable, and well documented code, following best practices and coding standards. This ensures that the final system is robust, scalable, and easy to maintain in the long run. Continuous integration. The waterfall model also emphasizes the importance of continuous integration where the various components of the system are regularly integrated and tested to identify and address any issues early in the development process. Traceability. Throughout the implementation phase, the team maintains traceability between the code and the original requirements, ensuring that the final product meets the stakeholders' needs and expectations. Testing and integration. Comprehensive testing. The testing and integration phase of the waterfall model is crucial as it ensures the quality and functionality of the final system. This phase involves a range of testing activities, including unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Iterative integration. During this phase, the various components of the system are gradually integrated, with each integration being thoroughly tested to identify and address any issues. This iterative integration process helps to ensure that the final system is robust and well functioning. Validation and verification. The testing and integration phase also involves the validation and verification of the system, ensuring that it meets the original requirements and specifications. Deployment and maintenance. Release and deployment. Once the system has been thoroughly tested and integrated, it is ready for deployment. The deployment phase involves the actual rollout of the system, including the installation, configuration, and integration with any existing systems or infrastructure. Maintenance and support. The waterfall model also includes a maintenance phase where the system is monitored, maintained, and updated as needed. This phase ensures that the system continues to function correctly and meets the changing needs of the users and the organization. Continuous improvement. The maintenance phase also provides opportunities for continuous improvement. Advantages of the waterfall model. Structured approach. The waterfall model provides a clear and structured approach for software development with well-defined phases and deliverables. Comprehensive documentation. The waterfall model emphasizes thorough documentation at each phase, which can be beneficial for large, complex projects and maintains traceability. Reduced risk. The sequential nature of the waterfall model helps to identify and mitigate risk early in the development process, reducing the likelihood of costly rework. Tight control. The waterfall model offers a high degree of control. Limitations and drawbacks of the waterfall model. Lack of flexibility. The waterfall model is a rigid and linear approach which can make it difficult to accommodate changes or new requirements during the development process. Limited feedback. The waterfall model lacks opportunities for continuous feedback and collaboration with stakeholders, which can lead to misalignment between the final product and their needs. Long development cycle. The sequential nature of the waterfall model can result in a lengthy development cycle, which can be a disadvantage in fast-paced, rapidly changing industries. Difficulty in handling uncertainty. Thank you.